Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the bag base. Yeah, we are going to make a crochet bag base, and the base I'm going to show you is for a tote bag. Some people have been seeing, they've been asking me from my Facebook page that how do I make these bags. We want also to make something for ourselves or gifts and all that kind of stuff, and don't remember Christmas is just near. So before I start, I'm going to show you, this is the kind of yarn I'm going to use. It's cotton yarn, a fudge, and it's called macrame. It's macrame yarn, and it's 250 grams. This is the size. It's 250 grams. It's brown in color, the clear brown, and it's 150 meters long, and it's a 3 millimeter like in size. The hook I'm going to use is 4.5. I don't know if you're seeing it properly, but it's a 4.5 millimeter hook. Yes, so without taking much of your time, let us begin. So we are going to first make a magic ring, and those who have been watching my videos, you know now how to make a magic ring, but to be quicker, let me show you. This is how I make it. Then I pass through like this. After that, I make sure I tie down. Nothing much, like there is no magic there. It's just, you know, normal making of a hook, just like that. Then after tying there, I'm going to chain 1 and then 2. Then I'll go back in the first hook chain from hook. Sorry, I chain one, then I go back in this hook, chain from hook, and I put 6 single crochets. That is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, and then 6. So after making my 6 single crochet, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch, and those will be now 6, or there will be 12 of them. So do that. Let me meet you and I show you what you need to do on the next row. So I've reached now, after putting 2 single crochet in each stitch to make 12 stitches of single crochet, then I'll put this stitch marker. Reason as to why I'm putting a stitch marker is because I don't want to get lost, you know, and I confuse my stitches. So this one helps me to count properly. Now I'll go to the next one. On the next stitch, what we are going to do on the next row, that is our row 3, we are going to crochet 2 single crochet, and then we are going to make 1 single crochet. Sorry, we are going to make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then we increase in the next by putting 2 single crochet. Let me repeat it again. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next one. Next, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then you put 2 single crochet in the next one. That is all we are going to do until we finish this row. Let me meet you at the end to show you what we need to do on the next row. I've reached at the end of the row, and now in the last stitch I'm supposed to put 2 single crochet. In case you're ending with 1 single crochet, it means you made a mistake somewhere, so you need to go back and you check yourself. So still I'll put a stitch marker in this last stitch where there are 2, so that I don't still get lost. Now on the next stitch, we are going now to interchange. We are going to make 2 single crochet in the same stitch, this next one, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Then on the next 2 stitches you put 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Then again in the next one you do 2 single crochet in same stitch, 1 and 2. That is all you're going to do. Now you do 1 in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch, those are 2 single crochet. Then in the next one you expand, you do 1 and 2. That is all you need to do. Let me meet you at the end of the row to show you what we need to do. I've reached on the end of the row. Now this one is going to be a bit different from the previous one, whereby here we are supposed to end with 1 2 single crochet instead of 2 in the same stitch. So I'll put 1, then I remove a stitch marker and I put the last single crochet. So this one is also done. I'll have to put back my stitch marker there so that I don't get lost. Now we are going on the next row. On the next row we are going to start with 3 single crochet in each stitch, then we increase 1 2 3, we increase like that until we reach the end. So let me show you at the beginning. We start with 1 2 3 in 3 stitches, then we increase, we put 2 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Then again we continue 1 2 3. Next we increase 1 and 2. Next one 1 2 3. Then the next one we increase 1 and 2. So that is all you're going to do until you reach the end. Let me meet you here to show you what we need to do. I've reached the end and I'm removing this stitch marker. So this one is going to be the opposite of the previous row. We are ending with 2 single crochets in the last stitch, 1 and 2. So this one is also done. I'm putting back my stitch marker. Then the next one we are going to do 2 single crochet in the next stitch, like 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Then we do 4 single crochets next in each stitch. So 1 in one stitch, 2 in the next one, 3 in the next one, 4 in the next one. Then again we increase by doing 2 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Let me show you again. 1 2 3 4 in different stitches, then 2 stitches in the next stitch, 1 and 2. So continue like that. I'll meet you here to show you what we need to do on the next row. I've reached at the end and there are 4 stitches remaining before I reach the stitch marker. So here I'm going to do 1 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, then the last one will be where the stitch marker is exactly, to make 4 single crochets. I'll put back my stitch marker so that I don't get confused. Yeah, then we go on the next one. On the next row I'm going to start with 5 single crochet, then I put 2 single crochet as an increase. So in the next stitch I'm going to do 1 single crochet, I go to the next 2 single crochet, I go to the next 3 single crochet, I go to the next 4 single crochet, I go to the next 5 single crochet. Then after that I'm going to increase by putting 2 single crochet in one stitch, 2. I've finished. Let me repeat to show you again. 1 single crochet, next 2 single crochet, next 3 single crochet, next 4 single crochet, next 5 single crochet. In the next stitch I'm putting 2 single crochets to increase, 1 and 2 single crochet. So continue like that and I'll meet you here at the end to show you what we need to do. I've reached and now I'm going on the next row. Now on our next row we are doing 6 single crochets. So I'm starting with increase of 2, then I do 1 and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Then after I count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet. Then I increase by 2. I do in the same stitch 1 and 2. Let me show you again. 1 in the first stitch, 2 in the second stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after that I'm going to increase. So that is what you're going to do until we reach the end, and I'll show you what to do on the next row. This one is supposed to end with 2 single crochet in the same stitch where the stitch marker was. So I've removed and I'm putting 2 single crochets there. Now on the next row, we are going to 7, which is our 9th row. We are starting with 7 single crochet, then we increase. So we are starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we increase 1 and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Then we go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you increase. You're going to continue like that, and I'll meet you here to show you what we need to do. By the way, I'm sorry for the noise you're hearing. In our neighborhood there is a new flat they are constructing, so it's making they are making some noise, but I'm sorry about that. And this row, to end this row, I'm going to remove this stitch marker here, and I'll put 2 single crochet in the last stitch, 1 and 2. Then on our next row, what we are going to do, that is, we are going to make 8, 8. We are starting with 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 and 2. And then after that we are going to make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are increasing 1 and 2. Continue like that, 8, then 2, 8, 2, until we meet here to show you what we need to do next. On my last row, I'm just going to make the remaining 8 single crochets, then we shall go on the next row. Now I've reached, so I'm going on the next row. The next row we are starting with 8 single crochet, or 9 rather, sorry. We are starting with 9 single crochet, then we increase. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we increase 1 and 2 in the same stitch. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to do to increase. We finish to increase, then you do 9, you increase 9, you increase 9 until you reach at the end, and I will meet you there to show you what we need to do. Now I've reached at the end, and this is how our base is looking like. Yeah, This is how the base is looking like. In case you want to make your base more bigger according to the size of bag you want to make, the kind of items you want to carry in it, or maybe if you're selling and a customer has told you a specific customized size, then you have to continue, and there is no any big logic there. It's just you making like we ended on single crochet 9, then do single crochet. It means on the next row you start with 2 single crochet, then 10 single crochet 2, 10 single crochet 2, then you continue until you make the size you want. Just follow up with what I've given you. In case you've not gotten it well, you can repeat the video until you get the proper things I've given you in the tutorial. Now to continue with what we are doing, we are going to just single crochet all around. We are not increasing anything. It's just single crochet all around until you reach on this end. So thank you for watching this part. Thank you. In case there is anything you need to know on how to make a bag base or any other shape of base you want to know, please leave it in the comment box, and I'll be available to help you out. And also, if you are new to my channel or you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your support as I give free tutorials to you. And also meet me in the next video, which will be to show you how to make the sides of this bag, so that we build it until the end. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial.